Introducing MMX-CLI, the first piece of infrastructure built not for humans, but for agents. Your AI agent can read, think, and write code. But ask it to sing, paint a picture, or show you a world it's never seen, and it falls silent. Not because it doesn't understand. It's because it has no mouth, no hands, no camera. Today, that changes. MMX-CLI is here to give every AI agent a full set of multimodal senses. Built by MiniMax, the team behind some of today's most capable omnimodal models. Your coding agent is incredibly capable. It writes code, reviews pull requests, builds entire applications from scratch. But here's the fundamental problem. It's trapped in a text-only world. It can't generate an image to explain a UI concept. It can't speak a summary aloud for accessibility. It can't create a video demo of a feature. It can't search the web for real-time documentation. It's brilliant in its domain, but mute and blind to everything outside plain text. Until now, the only workaround was wiring up separate APIs, writing fragile glue code, configuring MCP servers, managing tokens across multiple providers. It was tedious, brittle, and broke constantly. MMX-CLI solves this with 7 new senses for your agent. First, image generation. Create stunning visuals from text prompts with aspect ratio and batch controls. Second, video creation through Hailuo, MiniMax's flagship video generation model. Async generation with progress tracking, up to 1080p cinematic output. Third, speech synthesis with over 30 voices, speed control, and streaming playback. 40 languages, 7 emotions. Fourth, music composition with lyric support, instrumental mode, auto lyrics, and cover generation from reference audio. Fifth, vision and image understanding, so your agent can see and describe what it's looking at. Sixth, web search powered by MiniMax's own search engine. And seventh, multi-turn conversation for rich, contextual dialogue. All powered by MiniMax's full-modal stack. 1 command line tool. 7 capabilities. 0 MCP glue required. Getting started is 2 lines of code. First, add the skill to your agent with npx skills add MiniMax-AI/CLI. Then install the CLI globally with npm install MMX-CLI. Tell your agent you have MMX commands available. It learns the rest on its own. This works with OpenClaw, Cursor, Claude Code, Gemini, and any agent that can execute terminal commands. Authentication is 1 command, MMX auth login with your API key. From there, every modality is a single MMX command away. MMX image for pictures. MMX video for footage. MMX speech for voice. MMX music for songs. MMX vision for understanding images. MMX search for the web. The CLI handles all the API complexity, region routing, and error handling behind the scenes. Let's see what the Hailuo video model can do. This is MiniMax's video generation engine, capable of producing cinematic, photorealistic footage from simple text prompts. The model handles complex scenes with realistic lighting, natural camera movement, and remarkably lifelike human expressions. Every clip you're seeing right now was generated by Hailuo through a single MMX command. No camera crew. No studio. No editing software. Just a prompt and the CLI. The latest version, Hailuo 2.3, delivers breathtaking motion and lifelike emotion at up to 1080p resolution with 24 frames per second. Your agent can generate video demos, visual explanations, or creative content, all from the terminal. The speech engine is equally impressive. MiniMax Speech 2.8 supports 40 languages with real-time response and intelligent parsing. 7 emotions are supported, so your agent doesn't just speak text, it expresses feeling. Generate narration for video content, character voices for interactive applications, or real-time conversational responses for voice agents. For music, the Music 2.6 model brings text-to-music generation with full lyrics support, instrumental mode, automatic lyrics generation, and even cover generation from reference audio. Your agent can literally compose a theme song for your project, generate a podcast intro, or create background music for a demo video. The real power is in agent integration. MMX-CLI ships as a native skill for AI coding agents. Your agent discovers MMX commands automatically through the skills system. No configuration files to edit. No environment variables to juggle. No MCP server to run in the background. It can generate images for documentation, create video demos of new features, synthesize voice explanations for onboarding, search the web for references, and understand screenshots of bugs. All from your existing terminal setup. The skill system means your agent learns capabilities organically. Tell it you have MMX commands available, and it figures out the rest. This is what agent-native infrastructure looks like. MMX-CLI is fully open source under the MIT license. 532 stars on GitHub and growing fast. The codebase is TypeScript with Bun, well documented, and includes an agents.md file that gives coding agents full context on how to contribute to the project. 12 releases already, with active development from the MiniMax team. To use it, you need a MiniMax token plan, available at platform.minimax.io. The pricing is pay-per-use across all modalities, so you only pay for what your agent actually generates. This is the future of agent infrastructure. Until now, AI agents have been limited to text in, text out. MX-CLI changes that equation entirely. Your agent can now see, hear, speak, create, and search. Not through complex integrations, but through a single CLI tool that any agent can learn to use. Check out github.com/minimax-AI/CLI to start the repo and explore the code. Visit platform.minimax.io to get your token plan and start building. Give your agent the senses it deserves.